Look at this fabric, not as cloth, but as a conversation. This isn't just color, it's soil after rain, forest shadows, and the last warmth of sunset. Green that breathes like moss. Orange that pulses like a heartbeat. Cream that holds the memory of sunlight. You see buttons? They're not fasteners. They're promises. Each one a vow to hold together what the world tries to tear apart. In a culture of fast fashion and faster lies, this dress refuses to unravel. It knows true strength isn't in the shout, but in the quiet decision to stay whole. Notice how the pattern flows, like water finding its path. That's the lesson in every seam. We are not meant to be straight lines. The most beautiful things in nature curve, adapt, breathe. Yet we force ourselves into rigid boxes, professional or rebellious, modest or bold. This skirt, it laughs at those cages. One side flows with botanical wisdom, the other stands firm in earthy certainty. Why can't we be both? Here's what no one tells you about clothing. It's the first lie we wear. We dress for the job we want, the person we are pretending to be, the approval we crave. But look closer at these fabrics, they don't pretend. They confess. The muted tones speak of groundedness. The asymmetrical cuts honor our contradictions. Every pleat whispers, I am not perfect, but I am real. This is where the lesson cuts deep. Your clothes are a mirror for how you treat the world. When you choose fabrics that breathe like skin, you honor the earth's breath. When you wear colors that grow from the soil, you remember your roots. When you reject mass-produced uniformity, you defend the sacredness of individuality. I've seen too many people dress like armor, sharp shoulders, unyielding lines as if protection requires hardness. But look at these pieces, they're soft yet unbreakable, like the willow that bends in the storm but never snaps. That's the truth your closet should teach you. True resilience wears gentleness like a crown. Here's what the fashion industry won't admit. Ethics aren't an add-on. They're the foundation. That rust-colored panel? It's dyed with onion skins, not chemicals. The uneven hem? A tribute to the hands that stitched it, not a machine. This isn't sustainable fashion. It's moral fashion. Because when you wear something made with respect for the earth and the maker, you carry that respect into every room you enter. And this is the secret they hide in plain sight. Your clothing is your first act of justice. Every thread woven with care is a vote against exploitation. Every color chosen from nature is a rejection of artificial hunger. When you stand in this dress, you're not just wearing fabric, you're wearing a promise. I will not look away from the broken places. I will hold space for healing. I will honor the quiet strength that grows in the shadows. So next time you dress, ask, does this cloth whisper lies of scarcity? Or does it sing of abundance? Does it armor me against the world? Or does it connect me to it? This is how you become unignorable. Not by shouting in neon, but by standing firm in your earth-tone truth. Not by hiding behind perfection, but by wearing your scars as sacred geometry. When you dress with this intention, you don't just wear clothes. You become the lesson. Wear your humanity like it matters. Because it does.